All right, I think we are live. Ba-ba-da-ba. Yeah, we look live. Look at that. Get that pop out chat. Why is this always so big? Gonna post on socials real quick. Alrighty. Looking good. Getting my chat window set up because I totally forgot to do that before stream, so give me 2 seconds. How is everyone doing? Oh, my camera's big. All right, everyone. So I think last stream I did this where we're now donating to FOSS. I do 50%, well not 50%, I do $50 of 100, and if this goes over, I think we're just gonna count that for the next goal. But yeah, we're gonna LibreOffice Wayland. I think I also wanted to add KDE into here, but yeah, we'll figure all that later. But yeah, once we get $100, we're gonna start donating to some open source projects, just kind of support them. Probably should add raylib. I'll do that off stream. I'll actually take an honest thought of everything and record, just record everything down there, not live on stream. So yeah, I do have a coffee page, Ko-Fi Coffee. I don't know how to pronounce that. All donations are going to go to this goal where we will donate to open source projects. Once we hit this goal, I think I'm going to do a stream just deciding where to allocate the money. If we want to do like $5 to all of these, if we want to like, right now I think Wayland and like KDE I would donate a little bit more to, so we can actually solve problems that I am facing. But yeah, we can decide on that later. Also LibreOffice, GIMP and Krita I don't really use. I just know that they're, well, I guess I kind of use GIMP. Actually, I do use a lot of GIMP for stream and stuff. Krita I don't use that much, but I know it's a good painting program. So yeah, if you want to donate, you can. If not, don't worry about it. I also increased the font size because I looked at, can't type and talk at the same time. I looked at the stream on, I think my MacBook, because it's not ultra wide, and I noticed that obviously I get like the letter boxes on the stream, but also the font was kind of small, so I don't know if I had that bigger at one point and made it 14 when I moved over to, yeah, I don't know if I had that at 16 when I was on Windows, and when I moved over to Linux I made it 14 and not 16. But yeah, that should be bigger now. Right now we have this town hall, kind of in debug mode. We decide which way to go. I'm not going to do since I only have an hour, I'm not going to really do a whole recap of what we did over the weekend. I have VODs for that. You can go look at those. So right now we have a town hall, and the goal for today is at the end of every 5 levels, so after you defeat the 5th boss, so you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of that, you'll see a town hall, and you can make a decision. Right now we just have increase health, max health, and restore health. Yeah, later we might make that more complicated. Like we might have it like, we might make it so like you can get better stats. You can like repair stuff if we have equipment. We might not have equipment. You can buy equipment if we have equipment. Maybe you can level up. Maybe this is the only time you level up, and you can get more abilities. Maybe you. I also like I really liked an idea where you eat a piece of food and it gives you eat a meal, and you can decide on what meal, and that gives you like a little bit health recovery, but not full recovery, and you also get a stat boost for a duration for like the next 5 enemies that you defeat, the night turns or levels, whatever we decide to call them, or like the next 3 levels, blah blah blah. So yeah, right now we have this. I'm going to increase max health because we won't see that first going forward. So today, it's not going to be the first thing we see, and we're going to see it at the end of every 5. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Probably only going to play until 15 to see what it is. I do like how I just one-shot level 1 guy, level 3 guy. Oh, I one-shotted that guy, I think. Okay, so after this, we should see it. We haven't implemented that, but I'm just kind of showing everything, what we're doing. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah. So that's where I would have put it, right? And then at the end of the levels, I think we're still gonna scale the attack and defense, everything, but like the player's no longer gonna get health. So we're gonna remove that and implement the town hall system at the end of every 5 levels. So that's what we're gonna do today. Gotta get all comfy. This is kind of weird. I don't want to move my camera because I like where it is, but I would show you. Also, let me know if the text is better. I think it is. Oh, finally that thing joined. Good bot. Excellent. Okay, and I have. Yeah, that's very slow. Okay, good. I'll just keep open the tabs. I was trying to be lazy and just have this integrated. Wherever that is. This stuff just be my like chat thing, but it is extremely slow. So yeah, I'll keep the windows open, and also let me know if everyone can read the font, the code. Okay, so here I think I want to do this, and we're going to start on the wait for player, and that should just bring us battle should be false now or true now. Okay, so now we just go straight into it. That's good. Now we have to decide where to do that. Okay, and that's just controlled by the flag, so that's fine. So we can go back up to our states. Okay, cool. Is this a full ass? Change turn. What is this? Oh, this is game over. I actually haven't tested this. I assume this works. Okay, so I think we're gonna go change turn. Should we do that here? Yeah, I think this would be a good place to do it. Okay, and that's not an actual state, so we just call that, so we don't have to wait for a frame for this to happen. I think if we want like a upkeep turn and like a end turn, I don't know what an end turn is usually called, downkeep, whatever. I think that should be a state because we might want to animate like a damage effect. Actually, now that I think about it, we might want to process a damage effect and have that animate, and then because we're going to separate the logic, the animation logic with the battle logic to a degree, Because sometimes you just want to wait for the animation. Sometimes you do want to wait for the animation. Sometimes you don't. So like an attack, you want to wait for that. You don't want to like have people making decisions and everything will get out of sync. And I think that would be bad. I think that would be bad. Maybe we could play with that. Maybe that might be fun. So here, we're gonna do level modulo 5 equals 0. Right, and then we're gonna go like that. Whoops. And we increase the level over here. Okay, yeah. So we are already increased it back here. I think that still makes sense to have the process attack, deal damage, and check for what am I trying to say? Process damage and check for death. So here we're going to make the current state. What did I call that? And then we're also going to set the state is in battle to false. So our renderer changes. We're gonna probably need a better way to render that. Again, I might change like battle state into game state, or I might make a game state that has battle state and like current scene state, or something like that, to kind of decide what exactly we're drawing at any given moment. And that might be flexible actually to just have everything. Well, maybe not everything. Maybe we'll want the battle mechanics to still use this battle. Sorry, I ate like an hour ago and went for a walk. I'm still probably not the best to talk right now. We want these battle state functions to probably take the battle state, but some other things we probably want to take. We could take like a game state because it might need to edit some battle state things. It might need to, oh, hello. Vinny Original. How are you doing? It is. Doing pretty good, just working on an RPG. Endless RPG. Yeah, it's 2D, right? Yeah, it's 2D right now. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna make it 2D. Because these are textures. I know that they're just cubes that I painted, but they're actual like loaded PNGs. These are using just rectangles, colored rectangles in Engine. We're using raylib. Sorry, so this is C99, no, C11, and then we're using raylib for the windowing, the input, and the drawing. We're implementing a town hall real quick. I'm not getting confused with C11 and C9. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, C11 is after C99. Yeah, that's funny. I didn't really think about that until now. Yeah, that is confusing. Oof. Process town halls, that's what I called it. '99 versions. Yeah. Gosh, that's funny. I don't think. Oh no. Yeah, you're right. Fuck. We're gonna forward declare that. Oh, thanks for the follow. Why the fuck is people using Vue 11? Right, yeah. Yeah, I guess they didn't really have like sim version or anything like that back in the day, so they were just like, this current year, we're gonna use current year, not really thinking about 2000 is gonna like wrap around. Well, not well, yeah. I guess they could have used the full year instead of the last two. See what survive a century. I mean, honestly, they probably didn't. Everything was so new and developing so fast that they were just like, oh, this will be cool, let's just use this. And like, how do we manage this? I don't know, let's just put the year on it. It's like, what about the 4-digit year? Nah, just the last two, just the decade. Okay, so after this, so after I get done with the 5th, I think, actually no, it might do it before the 5th. $8 will cost us, yeah, exactly. Okay, well this isn't exactly what I wanted. That's okay, we can restructure some things. I think we're gonna increase max health. Oh, these don't work. Uh-oh. Why won't those work? Yeah, so it's a multimedia library. So this is raylib. Let me just go back to the page. So it's, I think this guy, his name is Ray. I think he's a teacher, and he just made his own library to help his students learn game programming in a game programming class that he teaches. But yeah, it handles all of the video game stuff. So it does audio, it does windowing, input, actually scroll down, yeah, so all this stuff. So it has the core, so this is all probably insanely hard to read, and my face is probably covering it. But yeah, so it uses like platform dependent libraries. So like here it just uses mini audio, and it's a wraparound mini audio, and then we have ray math and other stuff, but we've like cameras, I think we use GLFW, and some other backend platforms. Not really sure how stuff works. Yeah, I would highly recommend either using this or at least like looking to kind of see how they do stuff. Yeah, I was going to recommend SDL2 or SDL as well, and yeah, I need OpenGL to make 3D. Yeah, you would need some graphics API to do to draw anything. I think SDL2 has like CPU rendering, so you could like render a texture and blit it to the screen. But obviously that might get slow depending on what you're doing. And if you want 3D, then there's camera. If you want 3D, then yeah, you're gonna have to do some graphics API. You can use OpenGL. There's also Vulkan and DirectX. Those can all, you can interface. You can use SDL to use the window from SDL to initialize a context with all those graphics APIs, and you can do your 3D rendering from that. But yeah, this does do, this has concepts of models, and so you can draw 3D. Yeah, you can also do OpenGL windows as well, yeah. Like it can do, SDL2 can do OpenGL windows. And then raylib also is purely OpenGL right now. I don't know, it does have this switch platform, so I don't know what the switch uses for graphics APIs at least. But yeah, this also binds to a bunch of language, so if you don't want to do C, you don't have to, you can do one of the cool new languages. So SDL2 is a multimedia library as well. It's not just for oh yeah, so right, yeah, so it's basically just I don't know, I can't organize my thoughts right now, but yeah, like SDLs can do a lot. It can help you initialize audio as well if you want to do your own audio mixing. You can use it to use an audio engine. It's good for input. I think it has like gestures and controllers and joysticks. So if you want to make a racing sim, you can get the steering wheel, or if you want to make a flight sim, you can like read the yoke. If your users have that. But yeah, it's pretty powerful. It gives you basically a lot of things for game development, a lot of things that C was missing. Make a 2D thing, I'd only need a CPL. Yeah, let's see, where's the API? Category. They have 2D accelerated. Yeah, they have some rendering. You can create a renderer, you can create a texture. I don't know what this uses behind the scenes, but like you could, if you wanted to, you can look at what these do. So category renderer for SDL2 and I guess SDL3 as well. But this is for 2D stuff, and I don't know how fancy this gets. So you could start with this and see how that goes. Yeah, yep. Reading the manual is yeah, not my favorite not my favorite thing to do, but usually I don't use CMake or Make. I've watched the Handmade Hero series, and so this guy basically goes through a lot of the low-level engine making process for making a game. He has like 667 episodes, and he just goes through all of the stuff to make an engine, and he makes a game in it. Anyway, the point of that is that what he uses is he just uses build files, and he just calls his compiler directly. So that's what I do. He uses CL because he's on Windows. I'm using Clang right now, and I just do this. Let's compile and include really fucking long absolute paths. Yeah, yes. Do I have any? Oh, I'm on Linux right now. So I'm on Linux, so all of raylib is just installed into my path. So I don't have to worry about includes. But yeah, if you're on Windows, I think actually I can just show you my bat file. Here I just have an include and a lib. Okay, Windows Subsystem Linux 2. We need to compile on Windows. Yeah, there's MinGW, I think, MinGW64 that can help you cross compile on Linux to Windows. But yeah, if you want to use, I use Clang on Windows as well. I don't use CL really. CL's the MSVC, Microsoft's C compiler and linker. That's what CL stands for. Yeah, so this is pretty special. I don't like this because, like, in order to do it, I'd show you if I was on Windows, but in order to get this into your path on in like a command line, so you can run like a batch file or a bat file, you have to like open up a specific command line that they initialize like all of the stuff for. Yeah, I know. I mean, game development, everyone uses Microsoft stuff for game development. So you just basically have to use Visual Studio if you're going to do anything with consoles or anything like that. But yeah, I don't have those constraints, so I'm just using clang in a batch file or a shell script. I feel like a criminal using neovim. Why do you say that? Oh, average tutorial uses yeah, yep. Yeah, I don't like how long compilation takes on most machines or most build systems. Oh, I know why, because we didn't early return. I intended to return early. So we were drawing the town hall, but we weren't processing the town hall. We were doing one of these. And so since I'm early returning, maybe I need to change turn. Ugh. Well, maybe it's fine. Actually, no, it is fine, because I think when we end, I think we kind of do that. When we end the town hall, I think we kind of... No, we don't. Oh, we wait for player turn, but we don't set current or target. Oh, okay, what this does. Okay, cool. Yeah, all right, we don't need to worry about any of that. Okay, that should fix our problem. Oh, oops. I don't like how we one-shot the first enemy. Maybe we shouldn't be able to do that. Oh, I didn't remove the health stuff. Okay, cool. Actually, no, just kidding. We haven't beaten it yet. Okay. As long as it happens after we kill this guy, we should be good. Fuck. Okay, I wonder if order operations are just bad. Wait, that should be, what? That shouldn't be 0. Oh, that is. Oh, okay, okay. We don't want this there. We don't want this here at all. This is fucking shit up. Whoops, that's not the button I wanted. Return. I guess we could. Yeah, no, we do want to return, don't we? Do I only... I think we only want to change turn. No, that was the wrong button. Yeah, I think we only want to change turn if we're alive. I think I fucked damage up. What? Is it like doing damage to the next enemy? Oh, you know what? Maybe we do want to change turn. Oh, I bet it's processing the attack twice. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, so just here, I think we still want to return. We don't want to change turn only on that case, only when we go to the town hall. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, okay, that looked correct. Because before, I think you'd kill the guy and it'd instantly respawn because I don't have death animations, and then it would, because it respawned, it gave it new health, and then it wouldn't change turn. So then it would go to the next loop, which would be called process attack again. And so you'd call that again, and your guy's alive this time. So then it goes to change turn. So that was incorrect. That broke every other flow that we had. So I think just when we go into the town hall, we don't want to process the turn or change the turn, because that overrides our processing of the town hall. Okay. I should just give myself like 100 attack. Cool. Increase max health. Sweet. I'm 70 now. I feel like that's a lot. Oh, well, they did 10 damage. Oh, I'm still healing a ton. Okay. I'm gonna make some changes so I can test this out. So let's see, we're not gonna heal anymore. We're not gonna do that. Yeah, I think every other turn right now, or every other level, we just level up a little bit. So that's fine. I didn't want to heal anymore. So at the end of every turn, I healed myself a little bit just to kind of make it easier, but we have the town hall now, so we don't need that. What is this health? So I just want to make this 100. Just so we can test shit. He's dead. Oh, you defended, that's cute, you're dead. Increase my He did a lot of damage. He did a fuck ton of damage. Shit. Uh-oh. Restore health. What am I at? 58? Fuck. I feel like he's gonna do a ton of damage. Fuck. 15? Was that 15? God damn. Eight? Oofed. Okay, after this one we should see a new one. I should have gambled last time. I only had 10. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna live. He's gonna do like half my health. Okay. We got lucky. Got lucky again. Might die. What does 20 do? Excellent. Store health. Okay. Oofda. Well, this is interesting. I know I one-shot everything, but it's still pretty interesting. Now we need to come up with scaling and balance and all that good stuffs. Fuck. That just do 20 damage? Please defend. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, you are dead. Does that do anything? Maybe we should work on the death screen, actually. Actually, yeah, that'll be good, because then we can draw the death screen, and then maybe Saturday. I probably won't have enough time today, but maybe Saturday I'll have time to think about. Or I guess if I have time Thursday and Friday, I can maybe start thinking about and start constructing how we draw the scenes. Why did I come up here? I think I'm just gonna make an is dead, just because I don't want to go through. I want to go through all this stuff right here. Okay, so is dead equals true, right? And then if we go down here, we can do like if Battle state is dead. I'm gonna do that. Oops. Then draw dead. Actually, what do I want? How do I want that to work? I guess what we could do is we can draw this within the battle state. So if battle state is dead, then we draw some text and some buttons that we have to add. Give me 1 second. I'm not even going to put a VOB. I'm going to get some more water because I forgot to fill that up before I started. 2 seconds. Water's so good. Yeah, I might need to think about the GUI a little bit more. First, I'm probably just gonna work on how we draw things. What is that? Why do I have a scar there? Okay, anyway. What do I want? Yeah, I think I want it centered, so we're gonna do const jar. Whoop. Dead display. Format. Probably don't need format. You are dead. Whoops. And where is, do I not use this? Okay, cool. Dead width. What do we want this at? 70. We don't need anything else. Perfect. We're gonna draw the text. Dead display. What do we want the X to be? The center minus 35. Yars. Oh no. Oh no. That's the Y. We want the Y to be that. Yeah, screen height by 2 minus 35. And then we want the width to be. So that's going to be screen width divide by 2 minus dead width divide by 2. Right, and then we just need the 70, which might be way too big, and then we're gonna draw it in white. Oh, should we draw it in red? That might be cool. Let's draw it in red. Oh. Oh. Also thinking about this, screen width. Oh, okay, there are times where I don't use it by 2. Divide by 2. I'm using it for other things, right? No. Oh wow, just that one. Okay. Well, what about height? Oh yeah. Okay. All right. No. Okay. How do I? Die the quickest. Yeah, okay, that's gonna take forever. I guess I should just make one dude that's just super strong. Dude. Bruh. RNG, please. Just attack me. What are you doing? You are dead. Cool. I think we're gonna have a button below that that says restart. And then you'll just restart the entire game over at level 1. Yeah. All Alrighty, and then UI. Yeah. Okay, I can just draw rectangle. Oh, I do need that. I will state restart button. Feeling green. I feel like there's a lot of colors I'm not using. Beige. Sky blue. Lime. That might be cool. Maroon. I think we're gonna do lime for this. Lime, and then here we're gonna go back to maroon. Maroon. Fancy ass shit. What? Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, what now? Oh yeah, we don't have that yet. P, fuck. Ugh. Okie dokie. Oh, whoops. I do that every time. What do I want here? Ooh, we have 15 minutes. Shit. So that's the left. So I think we just want screen width divided by 2 minus our size. What is our size going to be? 50? No, 100. Screen height divided by 2 minus like the font size minus like a padding and minus, actually no, that's it. Width is going to be 200. Oh, maybe I should make it, oh no, that's fine, we can make it 200. And then height 175. Sure. Okay, so that's done. Do we go into a battle state? Battle. Oh, process. Game over. We have to go back up here. Oh. Do I just do another function pointer? Or not a function pointer. Game over. Forward declaration. I think that's what I want. Maybe I should move this up. I was thinking that this was going to call some other functions declared above it. Actually, I'm just going to copy this because like all of this is what we want. P. restart button. And then, what do we need for this? Do I want... I should probably make a function for this. State, what did I call it? I guess is dead. No. It's false. I think that's it. And then I think go down here to our creation functions. Yeah, these ones. Down. And then go back up to here. P. Yeah, and that should just reset us. Yeah, fuck. Okay, god damn it. Meh. We'll eventually like load this from data and figure all that stuff out. Because I think I want some like roguelite mechanics, because I think it'll be very boring to just go through the slog again. I want you to feel more powerful each time you play, and not just like have it be the same game, or a completely RNG dependent game. So yeah, there is going to be some, I don't know what exactly, but I don't know if it's going to be like permanent stat boosts, or if like maybe that's where equipment comes into play, or like you get artifacts from like the previous generation or your previous run that you give to someone new. I don't know if, I don't really want to do like a talent tree or anything like that. But maybe, I don't know, maybe you keep levels. Maybe you can only level up in the town hall, and you exchange like currency or experience or something to like level up, so you can level up more than once at a town hall if you have enough. And that might gate abilities and spells. And then maybe that's just kept between runs. So the first time you ever load the game ever, you start out level 1, and then as you play, then you restart, then you start again at that level 8. That might not be compelling, I don't know, but I do want some persistent aspect of it, just so not every run. I don't know. Maybe we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. That isn't an idea. Okay, so I kept. Oh, you know what would make this really easy is if I just gave myself like no health. Whoops. Replace 5. Alrighty. Oh, let me build that. Uh-oh. Screen high. Okay. 41. Go. Height. Perfect. Look at that. Excellent. Alright. We're at crazy amount. Dead. I didn't math that right. Also, that doesn't have text. Well, let's see if it works. It doesn't work. Okay. Oh, we might not be switching to that correctly, are we? Okay, so that needs to be placed better. Then we also need to see why. Mouse position, state, restart button. That's what we're drawing, right? Restart button, lime. Oh, I think we also want to return. No, we can still draw everything. Just kidding. Oh, was that only 10? Oh, wait, so on the Y. Okay, well, let's go back up to where we're drawing this. Where is, how do we... Yeah, so screen height divided by 2 minus 35. So that should bring us... Oh. I think I want to add. Okay. Oops. Okay, yeah. Cool. But that's not doing anything. And that's a problem. Oh, you know what? Because it probably doesn't go to the state. Well, no, it should have changed. Okay, well, let me go through the dead. Process game over. We are dead. Oh, because we did the thing again. Yeah, okay, so that's really not great. This probably needs to be cleaned up because this is causing a lot of issues. Where, yeah, because change turn happens at the end, I guess I can move it up before then. And then we don't have to deal with this shit. Because I keep forgetting that current state gets overwritten in change turn up here, right? So we could change turn, I think. I don't think that'll break anything. Then we can go into, let's see, what does process done do? Okay, so we just edit the player directly because we just know we're fucking with the player. So we don't have any notion of turns or anything like that. And I think the same is true for process game over. We just operate on what we want. Yeah, okay. Okay. So maybe I can just do that. Or we go up here and we just do that. And we won't have these bugs anymore. Whoopsies. Okay. Oh, why? Fuck. Okay, well. That didn't work. What? So we changed the state. Oh, fuck. Okay, yep. No, I completely fucked all that up. Well, shoot. So let me just undo all of that. So we have to keep that because change turn changes the current and the target right now, which maybe it shouldn't be. I don't know. That's basically just to get the grayed out buttons, which honestly needs to be handled better. So I guess we're gonna keep this bug in, or this buggy structure in. Okay, good. That's all back to how it was. There you go. Okay, so I'm dead. Cool. And then now we're back. And yeah, okay, so this is broken. So maybe I just call change turn. We process access the town hall. Oh, that's not what I want. That's okay. It's down here. Return, pass it state. Okay, cool. Oh, that didn't change. We need to change level. That's the other thing I was going to do. State level 1. Okay, now let's go back. So then after this, town hall, increase max health. We're gonna have sprite animations for all this too. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I mentioned that. Oh wow, that did so much damage. I didn't gamble. I should have gambled. What was I at? I was at like 20. I probably could have lived. I don't think I could have lived. Oh, well, because he did that, I could have lived. Yeah, I think I would have been fine. It would have been close. Increase mask health. Oh, now I'm fucked. He basically one-shots me. Ooh, he doesn't. I'm a god. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, so that reset. Cool. Yeah, let's go back into the town hall one more time, just to make sure death didn't cause any craziness. Okay. Cool. Excellent. Okay, well that's good. I think the only thing I need to do is add the text to that death button. That was a weird way of wording that, but that's fine. Okay, so I might do this off stream just because we've seen that, and then I might start thinking about and structuring the drawing scenes. I know I was thinking that I would have an actual separate scene for this, but then I was like, oh, let's just do like a overlay on top. But yeah, I think eventually I don't think I want to do this. I don't know if now is the time to do this. Probably need to start thinking about I don't know if we probably shouldn't balance anything right now because we don't have any abilities. So maybe I should start thinking about abilities and start implementing those. I don't know, but I'll stream Saturday at 2 p.m. Pacific, around 2 p.m. Pacific. I've been starting a little late or earlier recently. And yeah, if you want to catch up on anything that I've done, I'm also on YouTube. I'm live streaming right now to YouTube as well. But you can catch all my VODs there if you missed them on Twitch. Yeah, I think that's it. That is all. This was a good stream. Thanks for everyone, and thanks for chatting with me, Vinny. See everyone in the next one.